Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best automatic gate openers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. MyTeam Mule Automatic Gate Openers. Even with gate openers, you are going to need a good lock to keep unauthorized people out. But you do not have to get out of your car to operate this gate lock. It works when you trigger the automatic gate opener. After you install the gate lock, it should hold back up to 2,500 pounds of pressure. 2 keys are included when you want to go manual or there is a short in the system somewhere. This is a gate lock for MyTeam Mule gate openers. On top of that, you have an easy-to-install gate lock that complements your automatic gate opener. Simple connections to your opener bring the power to the lock so it opens and closes with the opener. At number 4. COZ Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. Slide your gate open with ease. All you have to do is hook up this chain-driven automatic gate opener and you can stay in your warm car while opening your gate at the same time. No more getting out in the wet rain or cold snow with this device on the job. In addition to that, you get a transmitter and receiver that works up to 100 feet. Once you are in range and press the button, you can enter your property without delay. With its closing program, you get to set the time frame when the gate closes after you passed it. The gate moves at about 43 feet per minute and it closes at 12, 24 or 36-second intervals. Connect up to 20 more remotes if you have the need. At number 3. Ghost Controls Solar Dual Automatic Gate Opener Kit. Your car may be a little bit to pass through a single gate. That is why this dual gate opener comes in handy. It lets you get larger vehicles inside your property by opening up both sides of your gate. Then it does that by capturing the sun's rays and turning it into solar energy. That design should save you lots of money on batteries, etc. Also, you get dual openers, dual hardware and the solar panel to charge it all. As long as your gate panels are less than 20 feet and weigh under 300 pounds, you are good to go with this top unit. The only exception for gate design would be solid panel models. Other than that, you have a great gate opener to use. At number 2. MyTeam Mule MM360 Medium Duty Gate Operator. The most important information about any automatic gate opener is how big can the fence be and how much can it weigh. Everything else is secondary. This automatic gate opener handles gates measuring up to 16 feet and weighing in at 550 pounds or less. With step-by-step instructions and a DVD to help you, the gate opener should install quickly and easily. You may be able to do it yourself without any help. Then no matter your gate style, this gate opener should be able to open it without hassle. The other key to operating this automatic gate opener is that you need to provide the 250 cold cranking amp battery to power it up. A marine-type battery is best. At number 1. MyTeam Mule Automatic Gate Opener. Heavy duty is where it is at. This automatic gate opener swings an 850-pound gate open with ease. The gate needs to measure 18 feet or shorter to get the job done right. Plus, it works on all gate types. No matter the style of your gate, this gate opener will open it for you at the press of a button. Its DIY installation means that you can install this device without the help of an electrician. All the hardware and parts are included in your package, so you should be able to install this unit at your convenience. An included DVD provides interactive help when you need it. Once installed, you may get a tax credit to offset the cost. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.